For this video, I will review 3 editing software for your computer. My goal is to show you how user-friendly they are for someone who has not done any video editing. As someone new, definitely you don't want to buy a paid editing software. Not until at least you get your feet wet and have some video editing software. So the first 2 editing programs I will review are free. The first one I will review is the Ice Cream Video Editor. This one is free with the option to upgrade to Pro for $29.95. Not sure the difference between the free one and the paid one. First, let's review the free version of Ice Cream editing software. Well, it is very basic. It only has 2 timelines. One for your video and one for your audio. This one is only good if you are doing a quick video for your social media feeds. This is only good if you are just going to do a straight cut type of editing with no dissolve or other transitions between the footage. And also if you are not doing any sound dissolve in which there is a nice transition between one sound to another. If you are a beginner with no basic editing experience, then use this just to get familiar with editing. As for the next editing software, I really highly recommend it. It is called Olive Editing Software. And this one has most of the stuff you need to do some editing. It has most of the basic features of most editing software. And the great thing about it is that it is, well, according to developers, fast, powerful, and free. And I did play with it as you can see now, and for sure, it is definitely powerful and fast. Definitely I highly recommend it. If you don't have the money to buy a nice editing software that is equally as powerful and fast as the paid editing software out there, this is a lifesaver. I really like this software. One day I will try to edit a big project with it and do an extensive review about it afterwards. But so far, by playing with it, I can tell that it is a powerful and fast software that can do most of the stuff what other paid editing software can do. So if you are serious about editing, this is the free software to use. And in the near future, I will do an instructional video on how to use it and even will write a free instructional manual PDF about it. For the next editing software, I highly recommend Filmora 9 and Filmora Pro. The difference between the two is that Filmora 9 is very basic. It is almost like the free Olive editing software but with a little bit more features. My recommendation is to first use and practice with the Olive editing software before you use any of these. Maybe you don't even need to buy any one of these. Maybe the Olive editing software is good enough for everything you need, but just in case you want something more in the future after having used the Olive editing software for a while, then I highly recommend getting the Filmora Pro instead. It's a little pricey but a much better deal than subscribing to Adobe Premiere. It is about $150 for a lifetime license. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page or follow our Instagram for more instructional content about photography and filmmaking with breaking the bank or spending so much money. Thanks again and see you again next time.